I will talk about how can you enable design or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notification settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on email updates. When you click here on when you click here on email updates, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, keep going down here. So then you come to groups and invitations. Come here to someone forwards me a freelancer profile. Click in this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.